So the whole point that we want to bring with Above Wines is trying to reach directly the people that like wine. Because we understand the Italian wine is very difficult. There are more than 700 different grapes. And so it's interesting to understand why there are so many grapes, why different regions can produce such different wines in a very small territory like Italy. Well, we really desire to come and introduce you to the traditions of our wines, and the best way we thought was to create personalized special events. They're gonna happen in your living room, in your special area, in the coziness of your house or in your garden or backyard. And with that, you can bring together the family, you can bring together your group of friends, and we can just have a very informal chat about the wines that we carry and a little bit of the history. Because at the end, we could be talking the whole day about the different soil, the different land, the different background, the altitude, the grape. But what is actually gonna stay with you about our conversation? Well, it's gonna be at the end of the traditions that have formed that wine, the territory where it's coming from. And then slowly, little by little, throughout our tasting, when we start to actually get to know each other, we can very easily explain you the actual differences between a classic Cabernet that you might already know compared to maybe a more selected Montepulciano d'Abruzzo from Italy. So the whole point of creating this experience that is in your coziness of your house is exactly this, to reproduce what you will be experiencing in Italy, going to dine maybe in one of the old family Italian restaurants that has been open for generations, but here in the coziness of your space with us and the expertise of our Above Wines project. So I hope you can organize it, and I hope we can meet soon and we can bring you up to speed with what's the truth about Italian grapes, Italian wines, and mostly Italian traditions.